about to assemble and mix my tzatziki, and I got a recipe. Oh, isn't that pretty? And it calls for the dill. You can see the marks on the sour cream slash yogurt. So I was just getting all the drips out of it, the whey, and there you see the cucumber grated. So I have some of this, which I just drink, whey and cucumber juice. It calls for a tablespoon of salt and pepper, black pepper, but I'm using white pepper, and some lemon that goes in, lemon zest, and pressed garlic. I think it's a lot of pepper and salt, like I don't understand, but I always use a different recipe. I'm just trying a new one. And then a couple tablespoons of the olive oil, 1, 2, and just gonna mix it up. It says it's better even after 8 hours, but we're gonna sample some of it right away.